How to recover your balance after a big loss. Hey everyone, I'm sure a lot of you have been in that tough spot where your account is down to just 2 fives, and you're wondering whether it's even worth continuing. The odds feel stacked against you. But hang on, don't blow the last few dollars just yet. Today, I'll share 2 binary option strategies. The first one is designed to grow your tiny balance up to $100. Once we reach that level, we'll switch to a second, much more reliable and straightforward strategy that I personally love. It's simple, clear, and has the potential to help turn that into $1,000 or more. All right, let's dive into the first strategy. It doesn't look like classic trading at all, honestly, but it's one of the few realistic ways to turn $5 into $100 when you're starting from almost nothing. I'm trading live on Pocket Option right now. This is my real account with a real balance. You can see it. I only have $5. Today, I'll have to take maximum risk to push this up to at least $5,100. Here's what to do. First, switch to the newest chart type available on Pocket Option. Second, set the chart time frame to match your trade expiration. I'm using 15-second trades, so the candles should also be 15 seconds. You can use M1 if you prefer. Just remember to switch back afterward. Now, look for a spot where 4 or 5 candles in a row are exactly the same color. Then, enter a trade in that same direction for 15 seconds. Right now, I'm opening a 15-second trade because we have 4 consecutive red candles. It looks solid, and on the 5th candle, there's a strong chance the move will continue in the same direction. Of course, this isn't a guaranteed method. There's no such thing as 100% certainty, but this approach can deliver 4 or 5 wins in a row. Surprisingly often, I don't fully understand why it works. It feels more like gambling than real analysis. But when your balance is 3-4 and you've got nothing left to lose, why not take the shot? This is basically your best quick chance to rebuild enough to start using a proper strategy. Notice how I always watch the previous price action. We've had clear waves of growth and pullbacks. Right now, it looks like another upward wave might be starting. So I'm entering an up trade on the 5th candle. Don't forget to set your expiration timer right here. Woo, that was super risky, but somehow we pulled it off. As I warned, there's a massive luck factor here. That's just how it is with small deposits. We're finishing the 4th candle now, and on the 5th, I'm entering another up trade. The chart keeps forming these waves, and it feels like another leg up is coming. This time, I set it for 30 seconds. Hopefully, that wasn't a mistake. Perfect. I'm doubling the trade size again to 100%, and I'll keep doing that until we hit around $100. Guys, we got incredibly lucky. Every single trade closed in the green. This doesn't happen every time, but there's definitely a decent probability you can ladder your way from $5 up to $50 or $100 using this method. So go ahead and give it a try when you're in that desperate spot. Now, let's switch to my go-to, battle-tested, easy-to-understand strategy that we'll use to grow the balance further. To keep building toward $1,000, here's the next step. Switch back to the classic candlestick chart, set the time frame to M1, and choose an expiration of a few candles ahead. Then add the CCI indicator. It's very straightforward. Just set the levels to plus 150 and 150. Let's open a trade with this strategy right now, and I'll walk you through how it actually works. First, find any clear horizontal level. It's super simple to spot, really. This is a classic setup. The price was falling, hit this level, and bounced up, fell again, bounced again. That's your support zone, where the market reacts every time. Next, check the CCI. We just added. It needs to be either below 150 oversold or above 150 overbought. Right now, CCI is deep in oversold territory, and the price is bouncing off support. That combination gives a high probability of an upward reversal. It's a bit late to enter this one, I know, but look, our very first trade with the strategy closed in profit. Awesome. Now, we don't need to risk the full balance anymore. I'll only use about half of it per trade from here on out. Okay guys, we just got a signal. Copy the asset name, paste it on the platform, and open the trade exactly as instructed. This one is for 5 minutes and down. We follow the signal strictly and wait for the result. This is a perfect beginner-friendly method. No need to master complex strategies. I'm confident this robot can seriously help grow your account. Well guys, those 5 minutes flew by, and in 5 seconds the trade closes. Look how clean and confident that signal was. Ideally, the bot should send a report after a win, and there it is. We just profited nicely on this 5-minute candle. Let's keep going and continue trading with our main strategy. This is a textbook setup to open an up trade right here. We have solid support below us, plus CCI is deep in oversold and just starting to curl back up toward neutral. Perfect conditions. I'm entering long and waiting for the outcome. Same thing again, opening another up position. Strong support level underneath, price bouncing off it, CCI still oversold. These are ideal conditions for an upward move. I'm in. Now just wait for the result. Unfortunately, this trade closed in the red. I'm opening the next one immediately. Losses happen. It's completely normal, really. Don't expect a 100% win rate from any YouTube strategy. Even pros go through drawdowns all the time. Right now, we're just trying to recover and hopefully get back to break even or better. Here, it's straightforward again. Looking at the chart history, I see a level where we could bounce. We've just formed a reversal looking candle, and last time we were oversold, we got a nice reaction. So I'm expecting at least a similar bounce now, enough for a profitable uptrade. I'm opening a buy trade. No need to over-explain. We're at a local support. CCI is heavily oversold. We're waiting for the price to head up. Friends, right in front of you, the final trade is closing in profit. Our balance is now close to $1,000. Today, we pulled off something amazing. Turning a tiny amount into this much is incredible luck combined with solid trading decisions you can copy and test yourself anytime, even on a demo account. The key is not just watching the video, but actually practicing and applying what you've learned. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.